Hey everyone, welcome to our latest YouTube video. Today we will be comparing two popular air fryers, the Secura Air Fryer XL and the Instant Vortex Plus 6-quart air fryer oven. If you're in the market for an air fryer, stick around as we compare these two products in multiple categories. And don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to our channel for more product comparisons, reviews, and much more. The Secura Air Fryer XL is significantly cheaper than the Instant Vortex Plus 6-quart air fryer oven, making it a good option for those on a budget. If you're looking for a low-cost option, the Secura Air Fryer XL may be the better choice. The Secura Air Fryer XL has a larger capacity than the Instant Vortex Plus. If you need to prepare meals for your entire family, the Secura Air Fryer XL may be the better option. While both air fryers serve the same function, the Instant Vortex Plus 6-quart air fryer oven has a range of additional features like clear cook window, odor erase technology, and even crisp technology. If you're looking for an air fryer with more functionality, the Instant Vortex Plus may be the better option. Both air fryers have adjustable temperature controls from 180 degrees to 400 degrees Fahrenheit. However, the Instant Vortex Plus has a temperature range starting from 95 degrees Fahrenheit, which makes it ideal for dehydrating fruits and vegetables. Both air fryers have non-stick and dishwasher-safe air fry basket and tray, making cleaning easy. There is no clear winner in this category, as both products offer easy-to-clean features. That's it for our comparison of the Secura Air Fryer XL and the Instant Vortex Plus 6-quart air fryer oven. We hope you found it helpful in making a purchase decision. If you enjoyed this video, like, comment, and subscribe to our channel for more. And don't forget to hit the notification bell to get notified every time we upload a new video. Thanks for watching.